This website was created for free with AI for my marketing agency. And I'm going to show you how you can create a professional looking website just like this with AI completely for free. So there are many different tools that you can use regarding AI, which will help you build websites or help you plan your website building strategy. But one that I prefer and one that I have used is durable.co. Now, I'll go ahead and leave it in the description below if you want to check it out. If not, just type in Durable into Google and it will take you straight there. Now, from here, we can generate a website within 30 seconds for free. Now, I'm going to explain how this works and how you can create your website in this video. So this is going to be a step-by-step walkthrough into Durable, and watch until the end because I'll give you some tips and tricks on how you can use it to make your perfect website. So, durable.co, AI that builds a website for you. Get your business online in 30 seconds with the #1 AI website builder and marketing platform. So you can see here we can start for free with no credit card required. We can get our business online in seconds, find customers in minutes, and save hours of manual work. So you can read this if you want to. You can see this is a very professional looking website, and Durable are a great company. They seem to be improving their AI products very fast. So when we go ahead and go to Durable and we click generate your website, it's going to ask what type of business are you building, and it's important to tell the AI in the most detail what you're building here. So what type of business are you building? I'm going to enter in here a marketing agency, but you can build all types of websites for all different businesses. So just start filling out this form, and you can see here we've got social media marketing, digital marketing, and so on. It will auto suggest relevant fields. Then you can click next. So I've just typed in marketing here. What type of business are you building? I'm going to choose here social media marketing. Then I'm going to click next. Now you need to enter in your location. So I'm just going to enter in London just as a general location. And we'll just choose here London, UK. And you can go ahead and then click next. Now it's going to ask you what the name of your business is. Now you can use this app to generate business names as well. They do have a business name generator. But for the video, we're just covering the website builder. So we'll just now enter in a name. So for the video, I'll just call it Social Grow Marketing. We'll go ahead and then click Generate Website. And Durable is then going to generate a 100% AI generated website. And what we can do is we can preview this. We can change all of the elements that we want, and we can add some stuff as well. So here we can see Social Grow Marketing, grow your social presence, elevate your brand with social media. You've got our clients, you've got social media marketing services, and it fills out this website and kind of like gives us a general overview. Now, when you're on this website and when you're scrolling through it, it's going to ask you to sign up. So just go ahead and sign up with Google or enter in an email address here. I'll just quickly sign in with my Google account. So once you've signed up, you are going to be prompted to change the colors, fonts, and other styles. You can go and skip through this if you want to, but I'll just quickly run you through what you need to know, and we'll get you all up to date in a couple of minutes here. So if you go ahead and hover over any element, you can actually click on it. You can change here if you want a text and icon, just an image, and you can customize things like the font. You can customize the icon. So if you want to replace this manually, click replace and you can upload your own images, or you can use images from their library. So I've just gone ahead and changed the image here, and here's the preview. Now we can regenerate the font, and this is just kind of like going to change it automatically. Again, you can customize this however you want. So I'm going to go with this. You can also change the style. So you can change the color, you can change the positioning, how big you want the icon. I'm going to make this really small, and I'm going to make this sticky so this header stays on top. You've also got things like the spacing, and when I last made a video on Durable AI, they didn't have any of this. So it's good to see that they are adding new features. If you don't like this completely, you can also click Restyle. So then scrolling down, you've got more text, which you can double click on and edit any of this, or you can just get the AI to regenerate if you don't like what they've typed. So we're going to leave it at this, and then here where you click on the button, you can link here to a specific page and a section of the page, so we'll link it to the home page. Then scrolling down even more, if we don't actually like a section, so maybe we haven't worked with these clients, you can just go ahead and delete it if you want to. Alternatively, just try and restyle it, see if you can get it to work for you. So we've deleted the client section, and maybe we want to add a section and we can add whatever we need here. Maybe you want to add some quotes or some testimonials, and we'll just let the AI do its thing. So there you go, it's added a pink section with some testimonials, which again, we can click restyle if we don't like that. And there you go, it's now black. So again, all of these different elements can be edited. I'm not going to bore you with editing each element. Now you can see it does a pretty good job of actually creating a website. You've just got to go in and edit like the prices and what services you can offer. And if you had a social media marketing agency, this will be a great website that's been generated within literally 30 seconds with AI, right? And again, you can change the style, color, font, buttons. You can go ahead and add more widgets. You can see how it looks on the phone and a tablet. And if you wanted to preview this, click here and then click preview. Make sure you save changes, and then you'll be able to preview your website just to make sure everything's all good. Now, if you're using the free plan, you're only going to get a subdomain like this. So socialgrowingmarketing1.mydurable.com. Now, I recommend if you want to be taken serious and you have some money to spend, you upgrade and get a professional domain, which is going to make you more professional and people will take you more serious. If you want to view the plans, you can see here you can start at $12 per month, and that will get you a custom domain name, unlimited pages, unlimited traffic, and so on. If you want to start with a free version though, just click here, click publish, and this domain name here is what you will give to your clients. Now obviously you're probably going to want to shorten this or use a .tk or like a free domain. But nonetheless, we've created a website here for a social media marketing agency completely for free in around 3 or 4 minutes. So I hope that quick video did help you out. That's how you do it. Let me know what you think of this in the description below.